Hey dolls, welcome back to my channel. Today I have something a little bit different for you. As you can tell by the title, today we are doing some exposing. I've never done a video like this, but I had been wanting to do one because ever since I came out with my very first shapewear video, I had so many companies stealing that video and claiming it was their product. I had even started watermarking the portion where I had the shapewear, and they actually used an app to erase the watermark. So that's how deep into it they were going into stealing my content. And the thing that frustrated me is that they were fooling a lot of my subscribers, and I had a lot of people messaging me asking if I had authorized them to use my image or my video for their shapewear. And no, if you see me in another shapewear ad and I didn't make a video about it, I did not authorize them. I am not using their product. But yeah, so I had been getting to a ton of fights with these companies, and my manager was even sending them letters saying they need to take it down. Some people would listen, others wouldn't. They were out of the country, so what do they care? And for the most part, they all took it down. However, there is this one annoying company that blocked me on everything. Then they would block another account of mine, but I have 3 accounts. So I have my account, my backup account, and then I have my house account. So I was just commenting on everything, telling people not to buy their product, and they would go through, even when my followers would go over there and start telling them stuff, they would delete everybody's comments. But I am going to compare the two products. I had someone message saying, well, can you just give us your true opinion instead of trashing it? Can you give us your true opinion? I knew that wasn't going to be an issue because I knew their product was going to be. How did I know that? Well, any company who stands by their product and is really proud of their product and backs it up 100% won't need to steal a video about a completely different product to promote their own. Clearly, they know their product is. So we are going to get into this review. Before we do, if you are not subscribed, please be sure to hit that subscribe button and that bell notification to be notified when I upload videos. Okay, dolls, so the product that I was wearing in my video, if you want to go back, this is the video where I explain in depth about this faja, which is the Salome Faja. This is my favorite one. I love wearing it. I wear it often. Here is the Salome Faja. As you can see, it's really thick. It is just a thick, sturdy faja. So it's inside, it's more of a cotton feel, just so it feels good on the skin. It does not hurt it, damage it, cut it. And then inside we have these clips right here. Now, I thought I had purchased the nude, but I guess I accidentally ordered the black. I was just so heated and trying to order real quick that I ended up ordering the black. This is the one. So I really wish I would have gotten nude so you can really see it. The inside lining, it's not cotton, it's more, it has a silky feel, so that's already different. The outer portion, this nylon portion, is nothing compared to this. So if I lay this down, it has that stiff feel to it, and that's because it's extremely thick. Now this one, if I do that with this one, it just falls flat. I mean, that's just how thin the material actually is on this. It's extremely thin. When we unzip this, big difference. So it has these clips inside. The one from the Salome has just the one side. Now, the only good thing about this is that it has the 3 different adjustments, and then we have the leg portion. So this is the lace at the bottom. This lace is much thicker. So this is a lot thicker and sturdier than this one that they have here. The fake one, the scam one, is 70% nylon and 30% spandex. The Salome is 80% polyamide and 20% elastane. So now for the fun part. I'm going to try the two on and you will see the difference between the two fajas. Okay, dolls, so for the Salome Faja, I have always Told you guys, it is so difficult to get into if you get the right size. Now, a shapewear should be difficult to get into because that is what's really going to make the difference in shaping your body. So I had to have Jay help me put this bad boy on because I had just washed it, so it was really, really tight. I hadn't broken into it yet. So thankfully, he is a very supportive husband. So now, the left side is the Salome and the right side is the Cosmo shaper. And as you can see, there is a significant difference in the way the shapewear shapes me. And as you can see, the legs on the right side are much shorter than the ones on the left side. They are not the same product. You can tell they are not the same product. If you look at the Cosmo shaper on their website, they have a completely different butt cutout than what the one I received has. So again, they are not showing the correct product. And when I turn around from the back, this is where you could really, really see the difference in how much the shapewear shapes me. The Salome really cinches me in and then it rounds my hips out. So it gives that really dramatic sort of Jessica Rabbit shape, if that's what you want to call it. Now with the dress, here you can tell as well how much more rounded and shaped my hips are, and then it takes my waist in, so it makes my waist look elongated much better than the Cosmo shaper. And then again, here is the back view where you can really see that dramatic dip in my waist and then the flaring out of my hips. It just gives that nice dramatic hourglass figure. Okay, dolls, so now I am back after the try-on. As you can see, the Cosmo shaper is a total ripoff. It is not the same thing. I did notice when I put it on, the legs are much shorter than the Salome Faja. I like the Salome because it goes over my thighs. This one actually cuts into my thighs, and as the day goes on and I'm walking, I'm pretty sure it's going to roll up because it is at the fatty part of my thigh. So with that, it will eventually start rolling up. That one was about $45. I think it was $45 or $46. And the Salome in my size was $60. So I'd rather pay the extra and get good quality products than go cheaper and get something that isn't even worth it. That faja, I would say, is about a medium support. Definitely not high level support like my Salome faja. So they are false advertising. It is not the same. And as you've seen, it did not shape me in the same way that my Salome faja did. It did some very minor stuff. It honestly reminds me of the Kim Kardashian shapewear. That's about the same support that it gave me. If you see shapewear, if an ad pops up and you're interested in it, go to the comments as much as you can, and not just that one time, but multiple times, because what companies like to do, they love to delete bad comments. And I noticed that I was seeing some comments saying that they received a completely different product than what was advertised. It doesn't look the same, it doesn't feel the same, it feels cheap. And later on, when I went to check back, those comments were deleted as well. So definitely check on those ads multiple times, not just once. These companies love to delete any bad reviews or any bad comments. So one last thing, all I have to say is those companies, get your shit together and stop stealing content from other people. Stop being lazy. Put it on yourself. If your product is so good, try it on yourself, make a little video and post it. That's all I have to say about that. I really hope you dolls enjoyed this video. I was actually also thinking about buying some fajas from Wish and just really checking them out because, hey, if we can get one at a good price on Wish, I'm all for it. So let me know if you'd like to see that one as well. I hope you dolls enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to give this video a thumbs up, share with your friends. But that is it for today. I love you dolls, and I will see you soon. Bye.